In this video, we learn how to track your credits inside Highperformr AI. Credits are used for enrichment, signals, and workflows, so keeping an eye on them ensures you always have the credits to run your go-to-market activities smoothly. From your audience module, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your current credit balance. Click on the small credits bill to open the credits overview pop-up and click View Credit History to open the full credits history dashboard. Alternatively, you can also access the credit history on the Settings section and proceed to Credits. Inside Credits History, you'll find a clear breakdown of your usage. You can see how many credits remain in your current plan, where credits have been consumed, whether that's enrichment, signals, or workflows, and a complete history of recent activity. This makes it easy to understand exactly how your credits are being used. If you need additional credits, simply click on Add Credits, select the plan that suits your requirements, confirm the payment, and the credits will be added instantly to your account. You can return to this dashboard anytime to monitor ongoing consumption. By checking regularly, you'll know which features are using the most credits and can plan ahead to maximize the value of your plan. Do note that most features, enrichments, and workflow tasks also display an approximate credit cost when you start setting them up. And that's it. We've just covered how to check, add, and monitor your credit consumption in Highperformr AI. With this visibility, you'll always have full control over your usage. If you have any questions, our team is here to help at teams@highperformr.ai. See you in the next video. Thank you.